Come test drive the 2017 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, CD player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.